Hi everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West, and today is a very special video. Now, as you know, I draw comics and I draw children's picture books. I'm going to be doing something different today for this video. Well, but not only is the camera in a different position, I'm doing something different. I told you I got a tripod, and in the past, I'm also mentioned getting a new camera. See this old thing? This is a flip video camera. Up until today, this is what I've shot almost all my videos on. Yeah, this thing's showing its age. It's still a good camera. I've invested in a Sony Handycam, and this is some test footage I'm going to be shooting. I'm going to continue working here on this Poison Ivy Gulch comic strip. I want to see how well this works. Alright, here. Let's get this show on the road. Alright. You remember last time I was working on this. I inked the letters, the balloons, and the panels. Relying on my solid workhorse here, the Speedball 512 nib. I got my jar of India ink. Alright. See how well this test footage works. Alright. Now this one I'm doing, we have a basically a veteran of the Civil War. He's in Poison Ivy Gulch's saloon, and here he's talking to saloon girl Lorraine Hester. Just give him a big pair of bushy eyebrows as well as a big mustache. Alright, there we go. Alright, here we are. Alright, let's take a, see if I can get a close-up of that here. Alright, let's see there. Alright, yeah, as you might see here, here's the guy. I decided to give him a big, thick unibrow there. That's quite a mustache he's got. I guess he doesn't shave. Alright, but I digress. Let's get back to work on inking this. I did shoot some test footage on that camera earlier, that new camera. Yeah, I'm quite impressed. Works very well. I get nice images, good audio. Right here. Right. Again, that big mustache of his, as well as that thick unibrow. Hmm? Yep. I love the variety of lines I get out of my Speedball 512 nib. It is my favorite pen, as well as the workhorse of my drawing pen set. Alright, see how good that's looking there? And our pretty saloon girl, Lorraine, eagerly listens to this soldier. And as she listens, yes, I am working up to a joke. Oh yeah, let me get the hair here done. There we go. I mean, yeah, look how crisp and clean that ink looks, huh? Let me ink the last panel. Then we'll call it here for the test footage. Yeah, drawing with a dipping pen, that takes time to get used to. I mean, yeah, you gotta have a steady rhythm of dipping the pen point into your bottle of ink. All right. Yeah, drawing with ink also was a bit messy here. That's why I was originally hostile to doing this. It was Matt Madden who got me into drawing with a nib point. It's not easy to learn compared to markers or uniball pen. You know, you really got to practice, get a feel for the pen. That's why it is important to train your hand, your mind, your body when it comes to drawing. Because drawing is a skill that anyone can learn. I'm convinced of that, and that's a point I am making here in my YouTube videos. Of course, yes, it's not a skill that can be learned overnight. It takes a long time to get it down, and it'll take years and years to master. Only now am I actually starting to gain some skill, but I still have quite a ways to go. And there we go. Just quickly clean the pen here. And I'll have a quick look here. Alright. You see? There's the clean line art. Once that dries, I'm going to finish it. Well, that's it for this video here. Hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. If you want to see more of that, just go to poisonivygulch.com. The link is in the video description below. Well, until next time, everyone, this is your old pal Max West saying goodbye.